See if he'll do it again.
Do what?
Put his head in.
Do what?
Put his head under.
Blow bubbles. Blow bubbles. Blow bubbles.
You did it. You got a little piece of it too.
He's gonna sneeze.
He don't like it in his nose.
No, he doesn't. He's gonna sneeze.
Wait, can you kick this way? Show Grandpa. Kick. Kick.
Harder, harder. Not harder, harder.
Come on, you do it. Kick. Kick.
Huh?
See?
No.
He just wants to put his head in the water. That's
I
all.
know. He wants to go. What?
He wants Roxy now because he thinks that Roxy's gonna